Welcome to the first video of the series, Behind the Curtain. Cue music. This is the first video in a series called Behind the Curtain, in which we do a video profile of the people involved with the school and the photo shoots that make everything come together. One of the things I like about the people involved in the school is that everybody shares the same passion, which is creativity. The first person that we're doing this video profile with is Joanna. Joanna graduated with a degree from UT RGV with graphic design. Joanna is a photographer, an artist, a graphic designer, a makeup artist, and a model. She's done big things and noticeable things. She's painted the front door, the stairwell. She's painted the welcome sign that has a Katrina on there. She has designed the manuals for the classes. It also helps that she's a photographer in her own right. She's also a very good artist. She had a show this past week. It was impressive to see her photography work and her artwork. We first discovered her as a model with Hess Models. She was so impressive that we actually used her for the Russ Harrington workshop that we had in February. I really like her makeup artistry. In fact, our most recent work, we used gold leaf. She actually was a makeup artist and a model. She's good in a lot of different things. And because of that knowledge and that desire to be creative, it translates to many other things. So Joanna, thank you for being a part of RGV Photography Workshops.